Hi, my name is John Driebe, and as one of the owners of Mazda Elk, I'd like to thank you, congratulate you on your recent purchase, and welcome you to our family. One of the things we're most proud of is the service we provide after the sale. I've been in the business almost 40 years, and a large part of our success comes from repeat and referral clients. We learned a long time ago that the only chance we have at selling you a second vehicle or having you refer a friend is when we take great care of you after the sale. I'd like to take just a moment and introduce you to our service department. We're open to serve you Monday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Easiest way to schedule an appointment is online at MazdaElkGrove.com. Click on the Service tab, and you will see the appointment scheduler tool. Don't forget, your first service is included with your purchase. We have a skilled team of factory-trained and certified technicians along with a large parts inventory to better serve you. Some of our other promises to you are most all of your service visits will include a multi-point video inspection where we will send you a video of exactly what we see. Your car will always be returned cleaner than when it came in. And a loaner vehicle will be made available on all major services. For no-contact service or scheduling convenience, you can take advantage of our after-hours drop-off service located on the main service drive using our night drop box at any time. We look forward to providing you many years of happy motoring.